Real quick engine air filter change on this 8th gen Nissan Sentra. For the air filter, you only have 2 clips, one right here and one right here. So you just remove these and then you're going to lift up and you'll be able to access the filter itself. So 1, 2. Now you're going to lift up on the front part, or on the driver's side I should say, slide it and then lift up. So lift up towards the driver and then up. Over here you have a couple connections where the back of it will slide into place, then you push it down and lock them back into place. So there's the air filter itself. You can see this one is pretty dirty. About time to replace it. Grab your new air filter, put it right in place. Now to get this back on, again you're going to push it down, slide it back so these back parts or these back connections slide into place, and then just grab these and lock it nice and snug. That's it.